We're now moving on to 132 times 24 in base 5, but this time we're going to be using the area model strategy. So again, very similarly to base 10, we're going to break it up by place value. So I'm doing 100 and 132, 30 and 32, and 2 and 132. So I'm representing these in different colors, and then I'm going to do on the left side 20 for the 24 and 4, so representing the 10s and 1s. Again, this is not drawn to scale whatsoever, but it is just representing what the area would be inside of this. We're really taking like 1, 3, 2 groups of 2, 4. So the first step would be doing 100 times 20, which is going to be 2000. And again, I just wanted to reference why we know that this is 2000s by tacking on the zeros to the end, because 100 times 20 is similar to 1 times 10 times 10 times 2 times 10. So that's why it's okay to do 1 times 2 to find 2, and then tack on those zeros from the 20 and from the 100, because we're really doing 10 times 10 times 10. So the next step would be doing the 30 times 20. So I'm going to go ahead and bring out my multiplication chart for base 5. We're going to do 3 times 2 first. So when we find the box that aligns with the 3 and the 2 in the multiplication chart, we find our answer to be 1, 1. And so we're going to go ahead and put our answer as 1100 or 1100, again referring to why we can do those 2 zeros after. Then we're going to go ahead and do 2 times 2 to find 4 when multiplying 20 times 2, so we can find our answer to be 40. Then 100 times 4, we're doing 1 times 4, so one group of 4 is going to give us 4. And since we're working with 10 times 10, it's going to be 400 or 100. 4 times 100 is 400. Then 4 times 30, we're doing 4 groups of 3, or 4 times 3 to find 2, 2. And we're adding another 0 after that, so 220 for our answer for 30 times 4. And then finally 4 times 2 to find 13 is our answer. Now I'm going and adding across on the rows. So I'm going to do this below. So we're going to do 2000 plus 1100 plus 40 to find an answer of 3140. So I'm going to go ahead and write that to the right of the first row on our area model. And then we're moving on to find our answer for 400 plus 220 plus 13. And this is going to give us an answer of 1133. And I just want to clarify for the hundreds column, the 4 plus 2, I found 11 because on that chart 4 plus 2 is 1, 1. So I'm writing that to the right on the bottom column, 1133, and then again adding the two numbers using standard algorithm from addition. So working the 1, 0 plus 3 is 3. In the 10s, we're doing 4 plus 3, which I'm finding here to be 12. So I'm putting the 2, carrying the 1 to the 100s. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And then finally, 3 plus 1 is 4. So I find my answer to be 4323, and that matches up with my partial sums strategy that I used previously. So I know that this method worked, and I found the correct answer. And I am just showing really quickly again that partial products is the same method pretty much as the area model. They're just represented in different ways. So I'm highlighting once again that we used all the same steps and found all the same answers really quickly, just as a reminder. But again, our answer does turn out to be 4323 for base 5 in this problem.